Just 2 stones throw away from the strait dividing Sicily lies delectable Taormina, facing out toward the Ionian Sea from a high natural terrace. Taormina is one of the most beautiful locations to visit in the world, with its medieval architecture, ancient Greek character, the colors and scents of Mediterranean flora, and the Sicilian climate makes it a perfect vacation any time of year. You'll be surrounded by wonderful, mythological ambience that has attracted people from all over the world for years. Settled on a hill of the Monte Tauro, Taormina dominates two grand, sweeping bays below and, on the southern side, Mount Etna, Europe's highest active volcano, which is frequently capped with snow, providing visitors with a breathtaking, dramatic and memorable view over nearly 100 miles of Mediterranean Sea. Taormina appears to have been as a tourist destination since antiquity, when ancient peoples such as the Sicels, Greeks, Romans, Byzantines, Saracens, Arabs, Normans and Spaniards selected it as their residence due to its advantageous location, moderate climate and magical ambience. The superb Greek theatre, the Roman Naumachie, the 10th century Palazzo Corvaggia, the 14th century Cathedral of Saint Nicola, the 16th century Palace of the Dukes of San Stefano, the public gardens, the ancient abbey and many more are still visible to tourists today. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Since the first hotel opened in 1874, Taormina has grown to become one of the world's most popular tourist destinations, where visitors can enjoy a perfect combination of ancient charm, historical and cultural preservation, and an elegant and lively way of life, while relaxing in the old town pedestrian areas. There is enough to do and see for visitors, including top-tier art performances at the Greek Theatre, various painting exhibitions hosted in neighboring palazzi and churches, and excellent exquisite shopping along the famed Corso Umberto with its classical music cafes and bakery shops. For those seeking the world-famous Sicilian cuisine, the town has a large range of restaurants, trattorias and pizzerias, pastry shops, bars, cafes and pubs to suit every taste and budget. You won't find many fast food restaurants since Sicilians aren't big fans of them. Sicilian cuisine is cosmopolitan, relying on the culinary traditions of all of its invaders. Sicilian cuisine combines Italian classics such as pasta, tomato sauce and fresh vegetables with regional specialties and typical island items such as red chilies, tuna, swordfish, sardines, olives, pine nuts and capers.